A penis pump? What the heck is that? Hi guys, it's Doc Heps here. So the question we're going to address today is, what is a vacuum erection device? Or what the heck is a penis pump? So if things aren't going so great in the bedroom, you've used Viagra, you've used Cialis, they're causing awful side effects, and maybe they're not working, you're not quite ready to jump in to try something more aggressive, like injection therapy or a penile prosthesis. The vacuum erection device is a great option for the right guys. It's totally non-invasive. There's no medications or drugs. The risk is very low. You really can't hurt yourself by using it. The worst case scenario is that it just doesn't work or you find it too cumbersome. But for a lot of guys who maybe are unable to attain or maintain, or Viagra, the medicines aren't working as well as they used to, using this in combination with the medicines may be a benefit. So what is a VED, or vacuum erection device? Well, a device is basically a pump that's externally placed against the skin. The penis is placed into the cylinder. There's a vacuum that's created against the skin. And what happens is that vacuum brings blood flow into the cylinders of the penis. And once the penis is adequately rigid and hard by that artificial vacuum that you created, you take the pump off. And some men use a band that goes around the base to prevent the blood from escaping, and they can have adequate sexual activity. Now, here's an actual device. So what happens is this device goes up against the skin. You put the penis inside, and this is a handheld one. You use this, and you pump this, and it creates a vacuum against your skin and brings blood flow into the penis. Sometimes there's a manual versus a battery operated pump, and depending on the gentleman's dexterity, this may work quite well, but it can create a vacuum. As you can see, it's sealing up against my hand, and then you release that with a special button on top, and for some guys it works great. Now, the potential pitfalls, well, in some men it just doesn't work. They have difficulty utilizing the device, they can't get a good seal, and it just doesn't happen for them. Some men, they can find it uncomfortable using the device, meaning that they get pain or discomfort, they put the band on, and it just doesn't feel right. Other men, they describe some numbness or tingling because of the vacuum and the constriction of the band. So really, it's more of a nuisance or efficacy issues as opposed to something bad happening. So tips and tricks, it's common to have erectile dysfunction. It's common that the medicines just don't do their job as well as they used to. The vacuum erection device is a potentially good option for a motivated man who wants to try it. The devices are usually covered by insurance. There's a number of different companies out there that will sell medical grade devices. Typically, there's low risk with this. Worst case scenario, it really doesn't work. So you can ask your urologist about this. Oftentimes, we don't discuss it. We try the meds and then the injections and then the surgery. So sometimes the vacuum device is just ignored. But again, for the right man, it's a great option. So I'm Dr. Heps. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you subscribing to the channel. Ensure to check out our other videos. I think you'll really enjoy them. Thanks again.